It's time to open it. Now we're about to see what's inside the box. Sorry.
What's in the box?
It's like books. Yes! I'm stacked.
You stacked?
Yes.
What are you packaging the books for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
And you're going to sell them where?
To people.
Where? I know they're going to be sold to people. You're not going to sell them to animals, are you?
No, I'm going to sell them to people. This is going to be the last one.
Okay. Do you have anything that you'd like to say to your fans?
I'd like to say subscribe and like and comment so if you want to have a copy of my book.
Oh, great. Where can they subscribe?
It's at the YouTube show Spread the Dip.
No, I think the name of the YouTube channel is called The Dip Show.
And comment if you want a copy of me and Nook, Chef Dip's book, and my shoe chef Nook's book. Sound right, but I still want to make friends.